What's up, fam? I remember a time when comic book style art gracing the halls of an art gallery was a super rare idea. Today, things are super different, with collectors and fans looking for art to adorn their walls, and galleries putting on shows that feature nothing but comic book art. To that end, since we are comic book artists and creators, and sometimes we get tunnel vision, we don't always think about the best ways to present our artwork in a way that's pleasing to the eye. A simple matte and frame job will work, but is it matting and framing kind of expensive? Nope, not at all. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy low-cost process to matte and frame your artwork for presentation anywhere. Let's go. Hey guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to know I need everybody to hit that like button and share this video all over the internet. That's how we're going to help grow the channel. Now, if you guys are new here, I hope you like it, and if you do like the video, hit that subscribe button, and everybody hit that bell icon. I'll talk more about this at the end of the video, but let's get to the tutorial right now. Alright fam, matting and framing your artwork is a pretty easy process, so let's go over everything that you're going to need for a super professional look for your original artwork. So the first thing you're going to need is a pre-cut mat board and backing board. You're also going to need a frame. You're going to need linen tape, corner tape, and a heavy book. Hey guys, I forgot one thing to add to the list, and let me go get it real quick. Scissors. Gotta have a pair of scissors to cut the linen tape. My bad, I forgot that. But alright, back to the video. Alright guys, let's talk about mat boards first. Matting is a way of presenting your art in a way that is very pleasing to the eye. You normally choose a mat based on the colors in your work and how it complements your art the best. Matting your work allows you to place it into a large size frame to really bring out the presentation. Sure, you can take your 11x17 art and place it into 11x17 frame, but when you match your work, it just looks better and a bit more professional. So the first thing we have to figure out is what size mat will work best with your artwork, and what frame will that mat fit into. For comic book artists, we normally work on papers that are 11x17, 11x14, 9x12, or 8.5x11. This is important because in order to look for a proper pre-cut mat for your art, you need to look for two specific measurements. Pre-cut mat boards are always presented by their full-size measurement. For example, a 16x20 mat fits a 16x20 frame, and 11x14 mat fits an 11x14 frame, and so on and so forth. So, for my 11x17 artwork, I'm going to need a mat that is at least 16x20. So you would think that for your 11x14 artwork, you would need a mat that's 11x14, right? Wrong. If your work is 11x14, it would still need to be inside a 16x20 mat. The reason being is the interior bevel cut. This hole is cut in the mat to display your image. So for an 11x17 artwork, you want to get a 16x20 mat with a 10.5 by 16.5 bevel cut opening. And for an 11x14 artwork, you will want to get a 16x20 mat with an 11x14 bevel cut opening. So it's super important that you look for the interior bevel cut size when you are looking for the best pre-cut mat board for your art. Also, just as an aside, everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below, so don't worry. I got you. I got you. I got you. So check it out, guys. The homie Pal Rodrigues from Brazil is an artist that I've worked with a number of occasions. He was gracious enough to do a KWAME HIGHTOWER drawing, and he sent it to me, and it was dope. I actually posted the digital version on Facebook, so you guys may have already seen it. But let's open this up and let me show you what I'm talking about. I want to be careful so I don't damage anything in here. There we go. That was easy enough. Hoping there's no killer tarantulas. right, just gotta go ahead and pop this open. Ooh. So, there we go. This dope piece of artwork is going in a frame, and yeah, I'm super happy with it. So, shout outs to my man Pal. Did a dope job with this. If you don't know, go check him out on Facebook, and I believe he has an IG. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description and hopefully above. YouTube be acting weird about that sometimes. So if not above, definitely in the description. But once again, thanks. Pal Rodricks is one of the dopest artists out. You guys really need to check this dude out. So let's get it framed up. All right, guys, so let's put this bad boy together. First, you lay your mat board face down on your table. You place your backing board next to it on the right-hand side. Line them up and then tape them together with your linen tape so that it forms a clamshell, so to speak. Now, place your art on your backing board and position it so that when you close the mat board over the top of it, all of your art is easily visible. Take a heavy boot and gently place it on top of your art to hold it into place. Then place the corner tape onto the corners of your art. Notice that nothing adhesive is actually touching your art. The corner tape has little pockets that the corners of your art fit snugly into, and the back of the tape is adhesive and sticks firmly to the backing board. Close the mat board over the top of your art, and now your art is ready for framing. Now, as far as frames goes, the choice is pretty much up to you. For those of us on a budget, IKEA provides plenty of nice looking frames that we can use. The major drawback being that the protective glaze that goes over your art is made of a clear plastic. Some people really prefer the front protection to be made of glass or plexiglass, which of course raises the price. For many of us, the IKEA frames are more than perfect though. So let's go over how to quickly frame your artwork. What you want to do is you want to remove the backing from the frame. Now, to be honest, frames may come with a mat, but that mat may not fit your art, so just remove it and save it for something else. Remove any film that may be covering your protective glazing. Place your art inside and the backing on top. Lock the backing down and voila, you've matted and framed your own art. Alright fam, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and share this video all over the internet. Now, if you guys are new here, I'd just like to say once more, what's up? And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Help us grow. Now, if you guys want to get in touch with me, you can always get in touch with me on Instagram or Twitter at DKG72. I have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok that's David Gordon 72. And if you really like what you guys are seeing, go ahead and hit the Patreon link that's in the description below and choose a tier. It really helps the channel, it helps support what we're doing, and I'll forever be grateful. Alright guys, anyway, I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will holler at y'all on the next one. Peace.